welcome guys. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm here on another tutorial video for you guys. 2018 is here and I have not done a video like this on Canva for the last year. So we're here to talk about Canva and what an awesome tool it is for all my graphics, for everything that I do. It's been a great help for me, and I'm a big supporter of Canva, and I know a lot of people are, especially for those people who are doing free graphics and just would like to boost their content in terms of YouTube, in terms of Facebook, Instagram, whatever it is. Canva is a good tool for you. So today we're specifically going to talk about how you can make a thumbnail. A thumbnail for YouTube in 2018, a custom one, especially for those videos, those amazing videos that you're going to be putting out as a YouTuber on this lovely platform that we have. Okay, so before I say anything else, if you do want more tutorial videos like this and also marketing and cryptocurrency related videos, hit the subscribe button, guys. I will be really happy to give you guys more content, and the bell notification is the best part about it, because then you will get notified for any future videos that we put out on this channel. So let's get into it and talk about Canva at the moment. So guys, if you don't know what Canva is a graphic tool that you can use for anything that you're doing, especially even in terms of presentations, social media marketing, posts, all these kind of different aspects. Okay, so more than anything else, let's go into a small tutorial regarding my previous video. So let's go to YouTube very quickly. Okay, and I want to go back a year ago. Let's go to my channel and let's go back a year and look at the tutorial video that I put out for you guys when it comes to Canva. So I did put a Canva tutorial out when it comes to shoutouts, another one for Instagram, and over here this is 10 months, 1 year ago. And you have, there you go, you have Canva tutorial, how to create a YouTube thumbnail with Canva. Okay, channel art, this is channel art, sorry guys, but let's look at tutorial for Canva. There's a reason why I'm doing this, guys, so just give me a second while we find the video that I'm talking about. Okay, move, go down, YouTube trailer, thumbnail, graphics, free, solo ads. Let's go back up. Maybe I missed it, guys, so if I do see it, which I should, solo ads, Canva tutorial. Here we go, custom thumbnail. Okay, that's great. So we will just pause this video because we don't want to do anything else, but I want to talk about Canva specifically. So like I said, Canva tutorial is about this website, which is going to give you specifically different kinds of tools and techniques that you're going to use in terms of having it. So I want you to just see what I was talking about last year is, okay, I did a very simple tutorial for you guys. Okay, a very simple tutorial, but more than anything else, I want you to see the dimensions. Okay, so as you can see, the dimensions still of YouTube are 1920 into 1080. So when you're creating a new thumbnail, you click on more right here, okay, and use custom dimensions. Once you use custom dimensions, you can see in the video it is 1920. So you go 1920 and put it as 1080. This is the pixels that you should be using for your designs. Okay, but as I have that already saved, I'm not going to get into that, but I wanted to tell you guys this. Okay, so let's go back and I'm going to click on this one right here, which is how I creatively do my thumbnails, right? But for a second, I'm going to duplicate, or rather open a new one for you guys. As you can see, I use Canva quite a bit. I'm going to do it on this one because it's already mentioned here. Okay, so you can see how cool this looks when I'm branding myself. So what do you want to be using Canva and your thumbnails to do? There are three main things that you need to use your thumbnails for in 2018 specifically, because of the fact that a lot of small YouTubers need to grow to at least 1,000 subscribers, you and I both. Okay, and we also need to get many views in order for us to start also generating a revenue on YouTube right now with the changes that have happened. So this is why I want to come out with this video, so that you can see the idea is to make it attractive. Whatever you're doing, it is to make it attractive. Okay, so I want to give you examples. This is one of the examples that I use. Not a lot of people use the, I like to use the cover so that people read what is there and they focus on me and brand. I'm branding myself this way. In fact, if you just go to my YouTube, you can see it all over the place in terms of my channel, and you just go to videos and you'll see, sorry about that guys, you'll see it all over the place how I'm branded, and it's all the same. Okay, there are very few things that I change. I put my face as a background here, but I like to let people read what is it that they're going to get in the video very clearly, like you saw for this channel as well. So this is one of the type of this is why I put the background. Now you don't need to do that. Okay, you don't need to do that, but I just want to show you some of the thumbnails that I've made. So this is one of the ones that I've done on a Hashflare, a cryptocurrency mining company that I use as an update. Okay, you can just pick on the images, and these images, guys, you can find anywhere. Okay, all you need to do is, I'm going to show you a trick on that. Okay, but let's look at another one just so that you guys can see. This is another one that I spoke about traffic. This is another one when it comes to reinvesting, just a strategy video. This is when the Bitcoin crash happened. Yes, I'm showing you a lot of cryptocurrency related, guys, because it's a hot topic. This is how I trade online, and I use the logos of the companies that I have, so people are actually familiar with the logos. That's why when you're making an Instagram video or when you're making a YouTube video, I tend to use those logos as well, so that it grabs people's attention. What we want to do is grab people's attention and let them click on the video. So the thumbnail is supposed to attract the person, not push them away, but attract the person. Another way that you can do about going about doing a thumbnail could be simply, if you, for example, take out all of this. Okay, just take out everything and just brand yourself. This is, I'm doing it really roughly, guys. Okay, but you can put your there, made in Canva, Instagram, this here, Instagram a little higher, and you know, just do something as simple as this. It's a very, very simple one that I'm doing right now for you guys, so that you can see what is possible. Okay, and then you can manage your words or templates in a different way. In fact, this I can increase the size to, let's say, 50. That's big, but it's okay. Okay, and just fiddle and play around with Canva, because the size of the thumbnail is important. So you can have it this way, or for example, this also you can increase, grabs people's attention. You know that this is my logo, so I'm just going to keep it there. And voila. This is another simple way to brand yourself, and I just made a new thumbnail for you with the existing things that I'll put there. And all I need to do is, when you need a background image, okay, you can just take a background and choose your color. Now, as you can see, I've gone with a nice finish, a matted finish over here for free, but you can do whatever it is that you would like and then edit it further. Okay, like just click here and you can see that there are filters. You can change it to different settings as you go along. It depends on you completely. Okay, you can flip it around, all these kind of things. But even including the colors, you have all the settings up here. Choose your font, choose the size, the color of the image, whether it's bold or not, italic or not, in the center or not. You can put it just to the side, to the center, depends on you completely. The spacing, transparency is another thing that you should look at also when you're doing it, because it's quite cool that you can use transparency. For example, my logo, I can make it transparent-ish, but this, it doesn't really make much of a difference, so I'm not. But you can do it for various kinds of other templates that you have. So the easy thing to do is, remember the dimensions is 1920 into 1080 as your main focus on the template size, and that will give you the exact size for the templates that you need to upload into your YouTube video when you make it. But other than that, feel free to be as creative as you can. You can upload any kind of things that you want. In fact, you can see I make a lot of uploads in terms of having this. Okay, now for example, if I want to hit, I want to put this like this, and I also want people to subscribe to the channel. I have a quick little subscribe thing right here. Just let's, and put it down right here. Or you can find, even on Canva itself, you can just hit this, you can write subscribe and click OK, and it will show you what happened, what you can use for free. So if you scroll down, you might find some free, but otherwise you just click on or type YouTube, and as you can see, it will pop up some YouTube subscribe button. So I just click on that, it pops itself up here, and I resize that according to what it is. Don't put too much on your, the simpler, the less that is there on your thumbnails, the better it is. But that's as simple as it gets, guys. You can play around with elements. There's photo grids. This is another thing that you can use, or frames, for example. Okay, it's another good thing to use because you can add a frame here and then a picture of yourself and stuff like that too. So this is what I would suggest, to go through all the possibilities and play around with Canva as much. But the simple tutorial is to put some text, an image. I would always suggest to put yourself there, because that way people get to know who the video is from. Even if, for example, this video, I'm not showing my face that much, so people at least will get an idea of who I am from my thumbnail. Okay, that's about it, guys, in this video. I hope you guys understood exactly how you can use Canva to therefore make new and awesome thumbnails in 2018. And if you do want to check out the other video that I have on thumbnails, I will leave a link in the description as well. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in anything related to graphics. I will come out with more Canva tutorials, obviously, regarding exactly how you can utilize it for the best of your needs. And that's about it on this video, guys. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm here to give you guys tips, strategies, and methods for you to start sustaining and maintaining your business and brand online in this new and crazy world that we live in. Have a great day, have a great week, and stay awesome.